Days after Prime Minister Modi's inauguration of a significant metro project extension in Kolkata, credit war has escalated between the TMC and the BJP. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee skipped the event, claiming the project was her initiative. Now, porters thanking Mamata for the extension of the metro stretches have also surfaced across the city. TMC has put out large banners at metros that have gone operational recently.
During last 10 years or 12 years, the speciality of Indian politics has taken this turn that during Modi era, it has become the ownership of any project, any development project. Modi claims it's his project. And Mamata Banerjee, during this several metro rail project inauguration, she has just did that, pointing out that, well, Modi sir, you cannot claim singular achievement.
बंगाल की जनता को अगर तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने अशिक्षित मान लिया तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ये सौभाग्य की विषय है पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता के लिए और आप लोगों के लिए कि हावड़ा ब्रिज का ऊपर कोई तृणमूल कांग्रेस को पोस्टर नहीं मिला। ये हावड़ा ब्रिज बनाने में भी ममता बनर्जी का भारी योगदान है, वो भी आने वाले दिन में अपील करें।
Days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off 3 metro projects in Kolkata, political war of words triggers. What we can see around us, a poster given by TMC party that the local councillor Sushant Kumar Ghosh put out this poster thanking West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for this metro project, as TMC claims that this east-west metro corridor connecting Kolkata International Airport with the other parts of the city was the brainchild of Mamata Banerjee when she used to be the railway minister of the country. Now politics has erupted over this, and what we can see that TMC is alleging BJP for claiming the responsibilities or flagging of all master projects which were drawn by the TMC-led TMC party when Mamata Banerjee was the rail minister, and that triggered a massive row. With camera person Aniruddha Tripathi, this is Ritik for NDTV.